Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you are interested, make sure you click the first link in the description below, and it will lead you to my three coaches. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any time during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this one. Now, it shows you how you can modify and make the PLR your own, and gives you a whole series of tried and true strategies and techniques that you can use. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic. And that is a huge plus if you're looking towards making money online. Bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr, so that when you get a high ticket gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone on Fiverr at a lower price and then sell it to your buyer at a higher price. Hence, you become the middleman. And bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is the crucial thing, folks. It is recurring passive income. And you can do it with ease. And the 5th bonus will allow you to supercharge your results. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in 3 simple steps, while only spending about 15 minutes a day running the entire system. 5 exceptional bonuses for you if you purchase through my link. Now, who are the vendors of the Art of Simplicity? Well, they're Kelly Lee and you, Sean. Now, they have done it again. They are 2 prolific creators and vendors in the personal development and self-help niche. They have over 31,400 sales just on Warrior Plus platform alone. So, I'm sure that the Art of Simplicity will be a hit among your followers. Now, in a nutshell, the Art of Simplicity is a PLR product designed to help people navigate the overwhelming complexities of modern life with grace and intention. Now, here are some things you should know about this product. Of course, it's PLR, so you can edit and claim authorship or promote it as is. It's entirely up to you. There are 10 modules to the course, and the Art of Simplicity is a blueprint of about 10,000 words within an ebook. So that is an extremely valuable asset. And you receive a special report of about 4,000 words. You get professional looking graphics, and there are 3 bonuses with this package. Now, with this course, you will learn a whole bunch of stuff. You will learn strategies for incorporating simplicity into your daily life, the guiding principle of KISS, or Keep It Simple Stupid, and its applications. You will learn the art of minimalism and its components, simplifying your inner world by prioritizing tasks and learning to say no. You'll learn techniques for adding meaningful activities and relationships to your life. as well as the process of subtracting the obvious so that you can focus on what really matters. You'll learn how to declutter both your environment as well as your relationships for a more fulfilling life. You'll learn how to practice conscious consumerism so that you can make more informed and ethical choices. You'll learn the benefits of a simplified life, including improved mental health, increased contentment, and a balanced lifestyle, as well as achieving greater clarity, authenticity, and gratitude through simplicity. Now, there's much more within this course, and you'll find all of those elements on the sales page. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end, as I includes the 10 modules, which is the premium quality ebook, complete checklist, a comprehensive mind map, high converting sales page, hypnotizing video sales letter, exclusive lead magnets, a professional landing page, follow-up email swipes, stunning graphics, and license certificates. It also includes the 3 extra bonuses. And there are OTO1s. There are OTOs. The first OTO is a high quality video upgrade, converting high converting upsell pages, professional video sales letter, professional slides to all videos, a complete video transcript, MP3 audio files, and exclusive PLR 2 Pro upgrades, plus mega bonuses, and that's for $47. OTO2 is for $97, and it includes a collection of the 4 best-selling PLR packages in one special offer. And all PLR packages come with full front-end product and pro upgrades. And OTO3, which varies from $77 to $147, depending on what you need, is a done-for-you installation service. And OTO4 really is a membership site. So it varies from $27 to $197, depending on what your choice is. And it is an abundance print VIP membership. And what you get with that is early access to Sean and Kelly's latest PLR products every month. Now, if you need to know more, click the second link below and then get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income online easily, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks. Take a hard look at this product and a hard look at how you can earn $10,000 a month. Bye for now. See you next time.